Welcome back to the White Overtone Wizard's affirmation for this episode of 1320 Time Stream. Okay, Overtone and Wizard. Sneak some white in there. I empower in order to enchant, commanding receptivity. I seal the output of timelessness with the overtone of radiance, and I am guided by the power of spirit. I empower in order to enchant. The enchantment energy is going to come from that psyching up, that energy, that charge, filling the space. That power will begin to flow. Now we kind of get to that space in the next kind of two words, commanding receptivity. But here in that I empower in order to enchant, it's almost like the process or the energy of empowerment begins to fill the space. And then all perception and all alignment is focused through this empowering. And so that empowerment aligns the space. It begins to align and hyper-focus the space, thus producing this enchantment. The enchantment property is the aligning of the magnitude of the property of the quality of the space. This therefore commands receptivity. Because the process of this empowering has happened, the enchanting is the kind of surrendering to the process, allowing that empowerment to kind of take command. And that very command is commanding receptivity, to open up space to it. So it's all just kind of part and parcel. I empower in order to enchant, commanding receptivity. I seal the output of timelessness with the overtone of radiance. And so it's like as that function has hit home within the, within self, within whatever, I seal the output of timelessness. That timelessness is going to be, it's the natural state of being as one radiates this. That natural radiance, which is the kind of like coupling of all of the empower, enchant, commanding, receptivity, all of those together are like a simultaneous frequency. And so when one is radiating this frequency, that output being in the space of timelessness is now available, which is, part and parcel to the enchantment and the receptivity. I am guided by the power of spirit. I find this as much like communicating that like the very nature of our souls, the nature of our spirit is like the energy that is guiding this entire nature. And it is also saying that wind energy is the guiding power for the day. I empower in order to enchant, commanding receptivity. I seal the output of timelessness with the overtone of radiance. I am guided by the power of spirit. Okay, that was a nice one. Short, sweet, to the point, and I feel very clear. Well, that'll be it for our affirmation section. Stay tuned for today's oracle section.